Hey guys, today I am going to share with you this trade copier. Now, why do we need trade copier? Because these days, if you use cracked version of EAs, you cannot you cannot use that EAs on this latest version. If you have some older cracked EAs, but those versions cannot be used in these latest versions. I use this IC market broker, and there are other brokers who don't allow these different cracked EAs. They don't log, they don't give access. Now see, this is my MetaTrader 1350. How do I set 1350 here? Okay, you will get 1350 from me. If you ask 1350 version, you will get from me. I'll send you this file. You have to go to your local disk C and then double click program files, create a folder called MetaTrader, just like that. Okay, double click and paste it here. Don't bother about these two files. Now double click this icon, this file, and you will see this software, and you have to click here and open an account, and then you have to click on MetaTrader demo, then next, and you have to open an account, and you know how to open an account, right? Now after opening an account, you will be logged in, and now if your EA has any kind of DLL files, you will paste it this location here and restart your MetaTrader, this version, this 1350 version. See here, this is 1350, and I am using that DLL file for this expert advisor, advanced gold pattern expert advisor. You will get this review very sooner. Now what happens if this expert advisors, you cannot use it here. You have to use a free trade copier. You can use it for lifetime. Now how to use it? You go here, fxmerge.com, you open an account, and then from tools section you go to trade copier, and you will get a complete tutorial here how to install it. You will get a software to install. You have to install that software, and from that software you have to indicate your master account. I mean, my 1350 account is my master account, and this is my slave account. Both the account must be in one single PC. Okay, you have to open both. Now after installation, you will get this software here, your slave, this one, where you have the latest version 1380. You want to copy all of your trades in this account from this account. So I have two MT4s here, 1350 for our cracked EAs with DLLs, and this is our original broker account. Now you have to just drag and drop here this software. Don't need to change anything, just drag and drop. Simply here, don't need to change, just drag and drop. After setting this expert advisor, you will see this interface. Just don't change anything. If you want to change, then you can change like this, because at the starting it was 0.01, max order was like 5, and take profit was 50 or 20, I don't know. Then you have to just set it like this. Then you have to click here, enable. So when you enable this, you will see at this software connected clients. Now one thing guys, you have to open Euro GBP H1 or any time frame, not a fact time frame, it's not a fact. You have to just open Euro GBP pair, and then you have to drag and drop this master software, and once you turn it on, now here is your master account is showing connected clients 1. Now if you want to, let's say any asset, you select from here, you click here, new trade, whatever lot size, and you buy or sell. I click buy. You see the buy is taken here also. From the 1350 account, it is triggered on our real account. Now if you modify these things, see here it also modified. If you close this trade, see here it was also closed. Now one thing guys, due to spread, your profit can be some maybe lower or higher, it's not a fact, but remember this thing guys, you can copy any trade which run on older versions of MT4, because MetaTrader 4, the MetaCode Software Corporation, is allowing this software, this version till today, but the brokers, they don't allow it now. So if you want to use any DLL but you don't have running versions, not a problem, any version, if you have the latest version or the later version, no problem, it will work just like this. I hope you understood very well. If you don't understand, you can still text me. Many my subscribers messaged me regarding this problem. You can solve this problem by this configuration. Thank you.